What's up guys, I'm Roasted Turkey here. Welcome back to another burping video. Here again with Cameron. So we're going to be doing a super burp attempt. Let's do this.
Right, if you don't know what a super burp is, it's basically, it's not really a long burp, but it's a really loud, powerful burp. And it's basically where you do a burp, but at the same time you force it out and kind of shout at the same time. And yeah, that's
Wait, do you want to shut the door? In case,
just in case it's a bit too loud.
Yeah, it probably will be quite loud.
Sometimes it kind of fails and it just goes out like, "Ugh!" But I'll try my best.
Yeah.
So,
PS4 right here. The graphics are awful on the camera. Ow, my eyes.
Right. That was a mini one.
Oh my god.
Okay, right.
The noise.
Right. That wasn't a super, that was just a cool burp. Huh.
Hey guys, come on here.
What are you doing?
That kind of went weird at the end. Hang on, I'll try a really big one.
That was loud.
Yo mom is so...
Oh my god.
Nothing.
Never ends.
Oh yeah, someone commented, do farts. Dan knows a way of how to do fake farts.
Yes, it doesn't work every time though.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my god! That has got to be the biggest one you've ever done.
Oh. Hack.
Oh my god.
You said that yesterday, didn't you, Dan?
He is a hack, isn't he?
Oh, he's a hack.
Hands. So are we ending it here then, Cameron?
You tell me, Bot Squad 2.
Okay, so we are ending the video here. Thank you for 30 subscribers. Insane. Thank you very much. Goodbye from Cameron.
Hit the like button and subscribe.